Okay everyone, let's talk about the Apple Watch, more specifically volume. How do you turn down the volume on your Apple Watch? It might be the Apple Watch Ultra, but it just works the same on any Apple Watch. So welcome to Foxtecc, let's get started. At first, just wake up your Apple Watch, like go to the, of course, like press the crown and get to the apps and everything. But once you're here, what you want to do is to locate the gear icon, the small one, which is representing the settings. So in the settings, you can do whatever you need to like adjust the stuff on your watch. But in here, you need to scroll down until you find the sounds and haptics option. This section controls all of the sounds and vibration settings for your watch. So when you tap on it, you'll get inside, and in this menu, you'll see a slider that allows you to adjust the alert volume. To turn down the volume, you can either drag the slider to the left or use the crown to rotate it and decrease the volume incrementally. This gives you precise control over how loud or soft your alerts will be. So once you've adjusted it, you can come back and just use your Apple Watch normally. However, if you want to adjust the volume of, let's say, a video you're viewing in the messages or something, you can do it directly with the digital crown when the sound is already playing. So when you hear the sound, you can use the digital crown and a small indicator is going to appear, which lets you control the volume for that specific content you watch or listen to. But that's going to be about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you guys later.